Hi hosts, my name's Ethan. I'm from the Hospitable customer support team, and today I'm going to show you how to create a direct booking site through Hospitable. So the first thing you want to do is open your Hospitable account and navigate to Direct. Then on the right hand side, you'll see a button that says Create New. Clicking this takes you through to a page to create your domain. I'm going to use company name 1234567 as an example. Clicking Next takes you to a page where you can decide which properties you'd like listed on your direct booking site. For my example, I'm going to use all my properties. Our taxes feature is coming soon, so you can simply click Create My Site. After a few moments, you'll be taken through to a page where you can edit the design, title, subtitle, add some images to your homepage, social links, and About Us, footer, and a site logo to your page. You can also add a custom domain. Once you've done these settings, you can head to Publish and click Publish Now. It's as easy as that. Happy hosting.